What are you doing? Luke, what are you doing? No, come on, you know the word. What are you doing? Yeah, did you draw an M? Hey, Luke. What are you doing? No, I know you're drawing an M, but what is this called? A U. Yeah, very good. Oh, very good. Yeah. What letter is this?
P.
Very good. What letter is this?
Q.
What letter is that?
L.
What letter is this?
X.
What letter is that?
T.
What letter is that? What letter is that one?
Ray.
What letter is this?
Ray.
What letter is this right here? Is that an X?
No.
What letter is that? Luke. What letter is this? Okay. What color are you gonna grab? What color is that?
Blue.
No, it's green. You know your colors. What are you doing? Luke? Let me fix that. What are you doing right now? Alright, say bye.